The Stuart Air Show is a 501c3 nonprofit organization that has been honoring America's history, aviation, and veterans for more than 36 years. Each year, it draws tens of thousands of attendees and partners with schools and children's service agencies to provide STEM and other educational opportunities to hundreds of students. The Stuart Air Show also works alongside nonprofits such as EAA Chapter 699, Southeast Florida Honor Flight, the U.S. Naval SEAL Cadets, and the United Way of Martin County. It helps create fundraising opportunities for dozens of charities across Martin and St. Lucie counties. This year, Missionary Flights International had the privilege of joining once again. We were invited, we showed up, and we had a great time. I'd love to share some of the moments you may have missed. Kids climbing aboard the plane, potential future pilots discovering something new, and the prayers we're lifting up for the dreams sparked during the November 7-9 weekend. Enjoy these highlights.